Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am trying the BEETLES gel paints. So I purchased my last BEETLES builder gel, and I have a video on that. I will go ahead and link that above, but they saw that video and they asked if they could send me something. So the fact that I was shocked at how good their builder gel was, I was like, sure, absolutely. So I went on their website and I found these and I was like, of course I need to try these. So these are glitter gel paints, P001, and let's swatch it. So first I'm gonna actually prep the brush that they gave me. So I'm just taking gelish foundation, and what I'm doing is pushing this into the brush. And what that is gonna do is get the cornstarch, I think is usually what's in the brushes, to keep them nice and shapely. And then I'm going to take just a dry wipe, and then we are super smooth. Okay, I'm here for it. It's funny, you don't see many glitter builder gels. You see them usually as gel polish, but it's nice to see them becoming normalized. And I like to place my glitter where I want it to go. So I always do a thin layer and then come in the middle and give it a second to self-level, and you will get the most bang for your buck. All right, so I just pulled it out of the lamp and it is tacky, so I would not consider this a paint. Paint usually has a tack-free finish, meaning you don't need a top coat over it. And this, you would absolutely need a top coat over it. So I don't consider it a paint, I consider it a glitter gel. P002. Again, coming in with my thin layer, and then we will build up our second one. Here's the thing, I don't want to waste too much. This is beautiful. Do you see all of that hollow? P003 again. These glitters are stunning. Like, absolutely stunning. Like, I have ideas in my head and I might do it because my nails are plain. Look at that. P004. P005. P006. All right, here are the final swatches, and they are just as pretty as I expected. So I like to point out the packaging, getting that top off, that was quite difficult. However, that would not deter me from getting this. Also, a little tip that you could do is instead of fully taking off the rim, you can leave a little on the edge, so you cut a circle in the middle. But I have not done that with my glitter gels. I've only done it with my gel paints recently. That's kind of a tip that I learned, but since these are not what I consider gel paints, in my opinion, I consider these glitter gels, which is glitter in gel, and they are stunning. If you know anything about me, you guys know I like the shards type glitter, and that is exactly what is in there. You know what, I'll go ahead and bring you up. I mean, right? Look at that. They're just so pretty. I'm obsessed, and I love that shards glitter, so naturally I will be obsessed. So I'm dying to use this. This is number 6, and I'm going to take Madame Glam's The Big Apple, which is literally its counterpart, in my opinion. Cover that up. So I'm going to apply this all over the nail.
Just feel my heart inside. Our love can grow so bright. We found a way into the grace again. Let's not pretend our hearts have life again. Just stay one more.
All right, taking that number 6, and I'm using the Beetles gel polish brush, and I'm just gonna mix it up just a little bit. So the first thing I'm gonna do is do a nice thin layer. This is the key to not having bulk on your nails. Okay. Nice thin layer. Now come in with a thicker bead, although I kind of like it like that. Let's see. Your thicker bead. And we're just gonna kind of walk it down. I like to place my glitter where I want it to go. But having that slip layer really helps be able to manipulate where that glitter gel is gonna go. Neat. Slip layer. I'm kind of liking it scattered.
Night, I'll be by your side. Just stay, just stay. Let's not pretend.
I like it scattered. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna give that a second and then I'm gonna cure it. All right, here's it with it packed on. And then I loved it with the peekaboo, showing that gel polish underneath. I just think it gave it such a cool effect because it is those glitter shards and they're hollow. I mean, look at that. So overall, I think these are fantastic and I like them a lot. All right, thank you Beetles again for sending these over. I will make sure to have everything linked below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.